Hey, welcome to Too Many Gadgets. So today we are talking about doing cheap upgrades to your Tesla Model 3. Six months ago, I did a video about 4 cheap upgrades to your Model 3. Today I found 3 additional upgrades that you can buy, and let me just jump right in and show you what. The first upgrade is a small hook that you can mount in the trunk, so that if you have any bags that might else be sort of flying around the trunk when you are driving, those can be sort of attached to this hook and then be more firmly attached. So it's super easy to mount this, because when you closely look at your trunk, there's actually a screw just hanging down, and this screw allows for this hook to be mounted easily. It only takes like a minute or so, and after that you can mount stuff to the hook. So of course, there are limits to how much weight this hook will take, so don't mount anything really heavy. Just shopping bags that might else fly around the trunk that you want to attach a little more firmly. So that was the first cheap upgrade, and this is only $5. And all the stuff I mentioned here, there will be buy links in the comments and description field of this video. The second upgrade I found is what you would call a side baffle. So what this is a piece of cloth that you will attach with Velcro in the trunk to make sure that the side compartments that's in the trunk and on the left side, you get a little more extra space in that area, because there's no, it's very flat. So stuff you can put there will easily fall out into the main trunk area. But if you put this side baffle on, which is super easy to do, you will have a little more extra storage space in that area. It only costs $11 including shipping, so again, a super easy and cheap upgrade. The last upgrade I found for you guys is to have an aluminum look on your pedals. So this is more for you guys that, like me, have the standard range edition, where you don't get all of the trim and finish like you do with the long range and performance editions. And one of the areas that's sort of downgraded a little bit on the standard range is the pedals and their look. So this upgrade that will only cost $8 including shipping is super easy to attach to the pedals. On the brake, you'll need to remove the existing plastic cover and replace it with this kit. For the gas pedal, you just click this over the existing frame, and that's again fairly easy to do. It took me like a minute or two to do this. If you want to, you can spend an extra $12 and you'll get an additional aluminum trim plate for the resting area in the left side of the pedal area. So if you want to go with that, that's an additional option you can consider. I went just with the gas and the brake pedal, and that's fine for me, but again, that's an option for you guys if you want to do that. So 3 cheap upgrades. Hope you found them useful. If you have any upgrades that you did to your car that you would like to share with the community, please leave a link to those items in the comment section. And else I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.